Konke kuhambe kahle osukwini lokuqala lokufunda esikoleni esise-Free State iLirico Secondary. Zithe zivulwa nje izikole bonke abafundi besemagunjini okufundela. Nasesikoleni samabanga aphakeme abafundi bathi sebekulungele ukuqala ukusebenza.
I think I'm ready. I'm filled with positiveness. I'm ready for the year. Even though it's going to be a long year, I'm prepared. I think I'm ready.
Nothisha bathi nakulonyaka bazolandela yonke imigomo ye-COVID-19 ukuqinisekisa ukuphepha kwabafundi.
This year we're going to use the rotational system again, where we have two groups, group 1 and group 2. The first group will come in on a Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and the next week they will come in on a Tuesday and a Thursday.
Ethwane abazali ingane zabo ezingakazitholi izikhala zokufunda bebeqhinqe emasangweni esikole samabanga aphezulu iAcacia bathi babhalisa online ngonyaka oyidlule kepha ke kuze kube manje abakayitholi impendulo.
They told me to come around July, August. I did the same for grade 9. I applied, but I didn't get any SMS, I didn't get any approval.
Esikoleni esise-Rustenburg iItirelong Secondary School abazali bakhungathekile ngekusasa lezingane zabo. Lesi sikole sacekelwa phansi ngesikhathi samaholide kaKhisimusi. Manje ke abafundi baseledengwane. Umnyango wezemfundo uhlele ukuthi abafundi bayiswe ezikoleni ezehlukene ezintathu okwesikhashana. Kepha ke abafundi abaneme ngalesi sinqumo.
I'm not feeling happy because if baretsaya fa barisa go dikolong tse ding sekolo sa rona se ba ka se sage so santla sa bedi go dikolong tse re yang go tsone ga re sho gore rona safe
Rona se re se batlang fela go gore re khutlisetsa di container ko Grundal Primary School re tsene ko teng re thute ko slonkane ba tlo bona gore ba ragela sekolo yang.
Empumalanga abazali basabisa ngokusivala thaqa isikole iPhoshe yamahlangu ngenxa yongalungiswa kwengqalasizinda kanti esikoleni eseLimpopo nakhona abazali abaneme ngenqalasizinda yesikole.
We are not really happy about the infrastructure because when you look at it, it's not in good conditions. But we are forced to bring the learners to this school.
Umnyango wezemfundo wethembise ukuthi ngesonto elizayo zonke izinkinga ezikhona ngokuvulwa kwezikole zizobe sezixazululekile.